Hello, my name is Lizette Romero, and I am doing my reflection journal on the lesson 4 topic purpose. After considering the video about life purpose, here goes the responses to the 5 questions. My name is Lizette Romero. I am a mom, I'm a student, I'm a teacher, I'm an ally, I'm an advocate. I love to advocate for people that feel that they don't have the appropriate resources to advocate for themselves. I love to research and give back to a community that is in need. If it's either a community of students that need resources to complete work, or if it's resources for senior living adults that need support with insurance paperwork. I am a person that loves to give back and be able to give people the appropriate resources in order for them to be as independent as they can be. I feel that I'm supremely qualified to, at this time, teach students about being independent, teaching students about being resourceful. I currently work doing RSP intervention in math for elementary school students. And at this moment in time, I am taking time to teach students that don't have access to grade level work based on their disability. I'm teaching them about appropriate resources that they can use to be able to access that. So if it means like how to use a number chart and when to use a number chart, I'm teaching them that. How to right now we're working on arrays and how to create arrays. For example, like 3 rows of 4. A lot of my students get confused, and some of my students can't even count, and they're in 3rd grade. So being able to have them look at a resource, learn the resource, and learn how to use it and when to bring it out is one of my strengths right now that I currently have, and I'm teaching others to do. I do it for people that need access to grade level work. I believe that every student can learn, and every student can learn in a very inclusive environment. There doesn't have to be a push out method, or kids shouldn't be outside the classroom. They should be learning with their peers, regardless of if they're able bodied or not. Those people just want to be able to do everything like everybody else. I feel that my students don't really see themselves through disability. They see themselves wanting to and being eager to learn more and being able to participate as much as they can. I feel that these people change or transform because after we practice all of these norm settings when it comes to teaching them resources and when and how to use them, then they're able to be more independent. I do notice that some of my students right now at the moment, now that they have learned how to use specific resources, they've been able to identify like, I don't know what 17 is. Let me take out my resource and let me rope count all the way to 17 and be able to write it down. So that's been, that overall is my goal, for people to feel independent, for students to feel that they have all of the tools they have to succeed. And I feel like this is relevant to the project that I want to do in the area that I want to focus on in my community, because there's so many resources and access to resources in the community of Los Angeles, specifically Boyle Heights. It's just that people need to learn about it and people need to know about it. Honestly, I feel that in this 6-mile radius of Boyle Heights, they have over 100 nonprofit organizations that can provide resources to the community. But honestly, I don't feel that the community has done a good job, or the organizations have done a good job at really advocating of what the services that they can give to the community and how to access them. So I want to be that bridge that really brings these resources not only to life but accessible for people. And I feel that the knowledge that I have learned, not only about myself, but about my strengths and what I really want to give back to my community, I feel that like I am equipped to be an active member of my community, to be an active member of society, and really just fulfill my personal purpose of giving back to my community, my personal purpose of giving back to my community through student learning, student engagement. And I feel that overall this lesson really centered me in the focus that I want to pursue.